Hello there, this is Chicken Whisperer again. I'm not gonna feed them greens today because they gotta be getting sick and tired of it. Every day I've been feeding them that. So I'm gonna feed them bread, all my bread scraps today. All my bread scraps today, and I'm going to feed them their chick feed, my mix. I fed them a little bit more mix today because I didn't know how the bread would work out with them. They're not so taken with the bread. Boy, oh boy, look at them. They're growing big time. I'm still looking for that mystery golden egg in here. Sure, it's gonna show up. Let's see. They got enough. Yeah, they still got a lot of water in there. Yeah, they're not really touching the bread scraps. Could it be it's too old? Or they're just not hungry? Yeah, it's probably just too old. Look at my little buffs. Buffhorn Orpingtons are really nice. Boy, that white Araucana is really growing. And I got at least one rooster in here. I've got it with all these birds. Well, my chickie babies, they're really growing. I'll show you them. Boy, they're cute at this age. But boy, did they poopy a lot in here. That's why I moved them outside. Boy, they're looking good. Well, if you like my videos, please subscribe and smash the notification bell. Peace out and thanks.